If you often find yourself saying, but I eat healthy, and you're still carrying around a little bit of extra weight and you can't kind of figure out why, let me suggest this. The next time you're feeling a little bit like you've got a hunger pain coming on and it's not really your time to eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's that in-between snacky time, instead of having a snack, go ahead and have a small glass of water, anywhere from 4 to 5 sips of refreshing water, and let it settle for a minute and see, am I really hungry or am I actually really thirsty? Because they seem very similar oftentimes. And so if you're not accustomed to recognizing, hey, I'm actually just thirsty, it's not time for a snack, it's not time for a meal, you have to start. And really the beauty in starting is just starting. So you can easily lose 1 to 2, 3 pounds over the course of a couple of weeks by just doing that, just making that small little tweak. It doesn't always have to be so dramatic, okay? Because when you overeat, the calories, overeating, whether it's a healthy treat or a non-healthy treat, it's still extra calories, and so that'll still be stored as fat. Give it a shot. Let me know in the comments. Give it a try. I trust me. It's just this one little tweak can really save you a lot of extra calories over the course of a couple of weeks. And then you won't have to say, but I eat healthy. It's like, yeah, I eat healthy and I drink a lot of water. All right, I'm Marcia Whitfield, healthy chef of Everything Diet. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.